Okay. Hi. Okay. I'm making dandelions currently. So put them in water, hot water.
This is how you like to eat the blossoms, right?
The dandelions.
But that you can eat them any way you want, right?
Yeah.
You could just eat them raw if you wanted to.
You gotta wash them off. That's weird if you don't.
But yeah.
You got like dirt and poop on them.
Okay. I don't know about poop, but
probably poop, dog poop.
maybe.
Well, if you have dogs.
I mean, you got a point.
You eat that. Okay. And put them in hot water. I kind of just dip them. I get a pinch of butter. And I add sugar. I don't know how much sugar that was. I just put sugar in there. Got the honey. Can you go get the honey, please?
So what's this taste like, Laners?
Dandelions. And I also don't have a spoon.
You want to tell them about how...
Who's down the camera? I'm joking. Okay. Thank you. Okay, just put some honey in there. I just put random amount. Still don't have a spoon though. I have something to mix it up. Thank you.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hi. Did you have your party?
Yeah, there was only 2 there, but
No, we would have come down.
well, we all sat outside.
Oh,
and
well,
it was a
I'm
party.
glad we didn't interrupt, but hope you had a happy day.
Oh, it was good.
Good.
Yeah, it was good.
Good.
And it was probably good that we didn't get too close
Thank
to
you.
each other.
Okay.
You stir it.
So what do you got in there?
Dandelions, butter, honey, sugar.
Is it hot water?
Yeah.
Hot water.
I said
And then
that
you just
already.
let them sit for a little bit?
Yeah.
And then
I
what?
don't know. I just wing things, and then well, I'll get there when I get there.
Okay.
I need.
These people aren't going to want to watch your video for forever. It's taking too long.
Okay. You just put it there. That's it. Then use strainer.
Just use your spoon like this.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, woman. Where's Tyler?
In the house eating dinner?
Oh, dinner good.
Okay.
Okay, good enough. Okay, so put it right there. Okay. Squeeze it on the concrete. No. Did I?
Do we eat it now?
Mhm.
Okay, let's try it. You try it first.
Okay.
She's actually my niece right here. She's been making
Hello.
Eat it.
a great name for Lena.
Yeah, I bet it
That's good.
She
Was it
is
good?
Mhm.
doing making salad out of dandelions.
Ooh, dandelion salad.
All right, Tracy. I'm over here and try your Lena's dandelion blossom.
Why are you going with blossoms?
I've
that's what
taken
they
the
are.
garbage
They're
up.
the
Well, good for
dandelion
you, Tracy. I'm glad to hear that.
They're very sweet. To you, hon.
Yeah, you bet. Won't be long, I hope, before you get back in the...
I know, I'm hoping a couple weeks at the latest.
I hope so, too.
Those are really good, Lena.
Thanks.
I said I'm starting to look like a...
So what are those? Steeped
African-American.
dandelion
If I had black
blossoms,
hair.
right?
Get real poopy.